All right, Ken Orange Theory Trader back with you with part two of the live analysis. TPU hit very easily. There it is. I did a 1-to-1 on this one. I did about 3 entries. So I actually got out a little early because I was just satisfied with the profit. I've already had two other winning trades today, so I got about 12% return on this one, and that's a sustainable return to be honest with you when you're scalping. On a couple entries. But even if you just took one, here's the beauty of doing 1-to-1. You're not in the market that long and have your account balance to the point where, okay, what I'm risking is what I'm content making. Even if you take one trade a day, if this was $200 risk, this would have been a $200 trade. If you're risking 200 to make 200, or if you're risking 1,000 to make 1,000, whatever it would be, this is it. It's that simple. So just to review this, if you didn't see part one, go back and watch part one. You'll see more in-depth analysis. Long story short, though, this was an 8-hour candle three. Let me go here, and I'll just show you candle one and two. Okay, this is it. Candle one, candle two, candle three did not retrace at all because while I say we like to, retrace to the middle of candle one. Sometimes I'll base an entry on a fair value gap, and if it's around the daily open, I'll go ahead and take it. And the thing is, though, is that let me bring the gaps back up. But I set my price alerts. I have two price alerts set here. So if the gap gets taken out that I base the entry on, I don't lose all my risk. So again, if you were risking say $200 on this trade, and it goes against you and takes the gap out, you're not going to lose the whole 200. You just go ahead and exit. Okay, but that's 1-to-1 really just is the best to me. You're not in the market that long. You're writing your own paycheck. It's been great versus say a 1-2. You know how I used to trade. I don't even have to do the format. Let's just say if I was looking for a 1-to-3, and it's not to say that it wouldn't hit, but let's just say I'm doing something like that. Okay, I gotta wait for price to possibly drop. Well, that's 1-to-4. Let me go up a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'd still be waiting. All right, and there's no guarantees that these gaps here are going to hold. It might hit, it might not. I just don't know. But the point is, though, is that I'm already done. Okay, and sometimes it's a time thing. Me, I'm impatient. I'm not saying you have to trade exactly like I do. I just like knowing, okay, this is my bias. Tell me as quickly as possible, am I right or am I wrong, so I can get on with my day. I was right on this one. I'm cool. I can get on with my day. So I'm done. All right. So that's the type of life I wanted as a trader. Give me my money and then let me go on about my business. So I appreciate your time and attention. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.